Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a fun and hands-on comparison between two of the most hyped AI video generators right now, Veo 3 by Google and Seedance, often linked to ByteDance. I will walk you through exactly how to access both platforms, including free trial and credits, and show you side-by-side results using the same creative prompts, from emotional realism to animal yoga and even talking men at the gym. We are testing them hard. Stick around, because by the end you will know which tool fits your creative needs and how to use them cost effectively. Let's get started. And we will use Veo 3 via Google Cloud Vertex AI. I will leave the link in the description below. You can test it for free. You get free credits in value of $300 to test. I'll just explain how to access it. And we will test Seedance via the website RunComfy. You have trial credits. It should be sufficient to generate around 2 videos with it. And we will continue using it via the website replicate.com. Also, all the links in the description. Just a few comments on Replicate. To get started with the Replicate, you need the GitHub account. Should you not have it, just open it by clicking here. Otherwise, proceed. On the dashboard, you need the tab Explore, where you can explore the image models, the video models, and so on. Just to mention, browsing on Replicate is completely free, but using the models requires some small payments of a few cents. You need to add credit card at your account. Just some overview of examples. For the image models such as Flux, you pay just 4 cents. Video models like Minimax is around 4 cents per second of output video. But we need Seedance. This is where we click. Here is where you put your prompt image, but as we work on text to video, we don't use it. Put the duration. I will take 5 seconds in every case, and I will use the lowest resolution, aspect ratio, landscape format, and this is actually what we need. Here we see the pricing, 3 cents per second of output video. Just to mention, another option to use Seedance is their website directly, Seedance.tv, but it's not the part of the video. In your brand new account, you will be able to create like 2 videos for your first free credits. On the Google Cloud, you just click on Try Vertex AI. You will need to add your credit card, but don't worry, you will not be charged its trial version for the next 90 days. Talking about Veo 3, you can test it. It should be sufficient for around 14 minutes of video. You click on the tab Media Studio and you land on this dashboard. And you see different tools for image, audio, and we need Veo for the video generation. Just click on it. Here you make sure that you use the right version. You have Veo 3 Fast Preview and Veo 3 Normal. We can adjust the number of results. We need just 1 video. You have 8 seconds by default. You can change the resolution. I leave it by 720. You can do further settings. I allow all ages. And here we write our prompt. So let's get started. Now I have this prompt, a woman in a red coat on snowy bridge, just testing it with the Veo 3. It takes a while, and we are generating in RunComfy using the Seedance Pro. And here we have it, the Veo 3. We clearly hear the steps on the snow. Compared to the Seedance, we know the sound is possible, but we are comparing the quality here. And here is the Seedance video. We see the bridge, the snow is lying, but not falling. But For most humans, the meaning snowy also means the snow should be falling. We don't see the woman's face, but it's okay. Now I have the prompt: a man opens a lunchbox to find a single grape and stares. It helps us to test object interaction, humor and facial expression, detail rendering. And here we have it, the Veo 3 video. The man's expression is fine. I find the position of the grape interesting, don't you think so? And here is the video by Seedance, a young Asian man with the Asian lunchbox. Well, our prompt included just a single grape, but we have several, and the grape size is too big. It doesn't correspond to the usual grape size. You might notice that many of the characters generated by Seedance have East Asian features, even when the prompt is neutral. If you're looking for characters from different nationalities or cultures, you will usually need to be very specific in your prompts. Now I have the prompt: a dog wearing glasses nodding at laptop. Can AI combine these elements accurately? We are asking to combine an animal, a human accessory, glasses, the laptop, the object, a human-like action, nodding. We will see if it works. And here we see the Veo 3 results. It didn't work to get the dog wearing glasses. Is the dog nodding? I don't think so. It's rather looking around. Here is the dog by the Seedance 1.0. We see a different race. The dog has no glasses either. As this is obviously didn't work as expected, should I probably test more with animals and human-like actions? And another prompt: a cat in a suit presenting a slideshow to a boardroom of other cats. And guys, I forgot to adjust the output number now. I have two outputs on Veo. Just look at this. I think it's a funny video. I see the cats are not looking at the presenter, but they at least turn their head at the end. The cats are sitting on the desk, like the cats usually do. Even the presenter cat is on the desk. The presenter cat is wearing human suit, but it even has human hands, you see? Looking at the video number 2, we see here the presenter cat has gloves. Even some cats attending this presentation have suits. But where is he pointing? At the slides or at the ceiling? And here we have the Seedance 1.0 video, and I'm surprised. For me, this video looks more natural compared to the Veo 3. One drawback probably: the presenting cat is not looking at the participants. Let's try something else with the animal, a dog doing yoga in a peaceful forest, slow stretching motion. And here we have the Veo 3 video. The dog, the real looking dog, is doing yoga. We even have the yoga mat. And here we have the Seedance video. The dog is doing yoga, but if I didn't know it, I wouldn't guess it. No yoga mat here. Now we have another prompt: a violinist playing on a rooftop at a sunset with a wind blowing sheet music. We will test if all looks natural there. And you will just see the Veo 3. And I'm impressed by this one, all generated as requested. We even see the hair is moving by wind, though we haven't requested it. And now the Seedance 1.0 video. I like this one too. Both videos look like of high cinematic quality for me. And now the bonus video for just Veo 3. As you know, Veo 3 generates speech. I will not read this whole prompt through. You can stop and read it if you like. The key elements are the scrawny man flexing biceps in front of gym mirror, saying mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most jacked of them all?
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the most jacked of them all?
And what do you think? Did it work fine? Let me in the comments below. So, what do you think? Which one impressed you more? Personally, I find Veo 3 incredibly powerful when it comes to cinematic quality and audio generation. But Seedance held its ground with some surprisingly natural motion and detail in several prompts. If you are just getting started, Veo 3 on Google Cloud is probably your best free option, and I've left all the links in the description. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.